So how group projects usually turn out? So there are a lot of groups, especially the creative groups which could be an external group, a third party group, and they are associated with the main company. They would basically, so if you have delegated a certain project to them, and they believe in visualization, they believe in creativity, creative themes, they are all about art, they are all about interesting images. It's a great thing because you like communities that are creative, you like communities that can illustrate a point well, and they can share something in a very distinct sort of a format that could help. But there's always a catch 22. There is always, you always have to look at, when you're evaluating a group, you have to actually look in terms of their skill sets, from not only like technical side, but also from on an operational side, where how are they operating on a day-to-day basis, and what is it that they are accountable for. So this is a visualization stage of a group where you look at this and you see that there are three characters, and each of the character are trying to create something on their own, but they seem to be disconnected. So you have these three characters who are painting, and when you actually look at it and you just glance at this image, you see that each of these characters are just painting one. There's two of them who are painting an area of a wall, and there's a third character who's like sitting a little away. It's a funny image, right? It's an animated funny image. It has the best caption, and when someone in a group, but it actually kind of explains how groups actually turn out. So sometimes when you have certain set of group members who are visualizing something which probably fits in with the larger group, or it doesn't, it could be a little messy, and it can get really confusing. So when someone is in a group project and you have somebody who has no intention of doing something, this is like how the project would look like. It would look messy. It would look like everybody is painting different things, and they are really not, the right hand is not communicating with the left hand. So this is a messy state of affairs, and normally when it comes to creative projects, again, it has to be on a timeline, and it has to be on some on certain parameters, where it could be it has to have a timeline, it has to have a budget, it has to be able to one has to kind of determine in the group the role of each member, whether there is a visualizer, the other person is an illustrator, is the person handling the budgets, is there another person who's good with the software, is there somebody who could probably plug in a caption, or they could give like a subtitle and make that visual exercise worth. uh there are so many, when you actually look at like the formats of video today and images, you have a lot of people who do sit on supply and inventory of creative projects. And but when you actually look in terms of the groups, you see that there are a lot of groups who probably have everything going for them. But this funny image actually captures the sentiment that when you have a group that has everything going for them, the technicalities are good, but they don't have the intention of doing something, it is when the work process looks disconnected.